Hi, can you help me with something?
Of course, what can I assist you with?
Yes, my room's air conditioning is not working properly.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check the system and send someone to fix it.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, could you please provide some extra towels and toiletries?
Sure, I will have them sent up to your room right away.
Thanks a lot. Also, do you know if there are any good restaurants around here?
Yes, there are a few good ones nearby. Let me recommend some to you.
That would be great, thanks.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, that's all for now. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Don't hesitate to let us know if you need anything else during your stay.